Ooh, slippery. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry, and I'm so excited to be out here. All right, that was a little over the top. I've got a red oak on the mill. It's 14 feet long, 13 inches, 15 inches. So I put about a 1-inch shim under there, just kind of level up the bark. We'll get it closer, get as much as we can. I got a fire going. I don't know if it's gonna catch, but it's cold. It's in the upper teens today, but it's pretty nice. The sun's out, so it's not bad. I think we're supposed to get up to 23 or 24 today, and I don't think it's gonna happen. But on the mill, I have that stellite blade, and I have all the mods. I'm excited. I've not used the log turner yet, except in last week's video, you saw me roll this log, which was 2 days ago. I thought I was gonna get out yesterday, but we ended up having grandkids. So let's get this cut. If you remember what I said, I'm cutting this into 1.5 inches by whatever size cants for a trailer deck. Anything else? I want to, if I remember, I'm going to show you another mod that I didn't show you. I was able to get about another 2 inches that I can cut now with my sawmill. In fact, let me show you now. If you look right there. That's where it used to stop. That's where it is. So what it does, it tucks neatly in there. Right there. I was hoping that fire would get going so I could stand by it. Doesn't appear to happen. Let's cut this. scale. So let's get on scale here. I guess it don't really matter. I can flip it. All right, we're gonna flip it, finish. Guys, these Stellite bands, you don't even, it looks like they're planed almost. So smooth. Who doesn't like a crackling fire in the wintertime? It actually, guys, it actually is pretty nice out here today. I thought it was going to be a lot colder than it was. I got my long underwear on. The long johns are on. The quilted blue jeans are on. A hoodie in the Carhartt. Not a big fan of Carhartt, but that's what I've got right now. Heck yeah. So I'll show you these in a second. Let me get these cleaned up, stacked up. So these are going to be, this log was frozen. This is going to be deck boards for a trailer. You know, the trailer I use that I haul my tractor around on, and logs. A lot of people like white oak for this, but you know, it doesn't really matter for an equipment trailer, because you're probably going to wear it out before you rot out. And my equipment trailers, I dump oil on them. Just regular motor oil or kerosene and motor oil, whatever I have. And I need to do this to my hay wagon, but that will be either 5/4 inch or 4/4. Not 100% sure yet. The one hay wagon I use for heavy equipment or heavy stuff. The other one is more of a party pad. That fire sounds nice. Oh, you can see. Let me show you how you can tell it's frozen. If this sawdust is sticking, which it is, that tells me it's frozen right there. You know, the sawdust, I had the water. I didn't need the water on today. I just wanted to make sure the valve was working. But that, since that's sticking, but if you don't take the sawdust off of oak, oh boy. There we go. They mold pretty quickly. You know, there's some knots in here, but these boards are really smooth. You wouldn't have to plant them. There's no waves in them. Those stellite bands, you know, my first one broke. This is the second one, and it broke, you know, late in the season there. And it feels like a long time ago. That's how long it's been since I've been milling. But these are way worth it. What are they, about $40+ or so, somewhere around there? That first one, I got a couple thousand board feet. Now, I know Bill Profit, Pirate Solutions, he has, his last one went 5,000 BDF. Guys, that costs you nothing. If you're getting 5,000 BDF out of a blade, even a 2,000 BDF board feet out of a blade, you win, man. That costs you nothing. Just think how much 2,000 board feet of hardwood would cost you. Even pine, well, you know, during COVID, 1,000 board feet was well over $1,000. I'm not sure what pine is right now, but I'll guarantee you oak is way over that. I haven't looked at the stumpage report in a while, but these blades literally cost you nothing. They're faster, they're smoother. Now that one broke, I sent a message to Norwood and I let them know about it. But, you know, I don't care. I got a lot of wood out of that. So, and today, my big reason, let me stand up. Today, the big reason I wanted to get out here was just to try the log. Well, one, I needed some sawmill therapy. If you have a sawmill, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This wintertime stuff sucks. We need to be out here. I think I'll get out here more. This wasn't bad. It felt comfortable. You know, like I said, it was probably 18 or 19 when I came out. Sun came out, broke a little sweat, but now the sun's gone. Lake Michigan clouds coming over. But I wanted to try that log turn. Now, there are a few things I need to do. I need to learn how to use it a little bit better. I need to crimp those springs so they can't pop off. But I also need to put, I think, another set of hooks so I can pull it in a little bit farther for the smaller logs. Because I can adjust it, but I'm out of adjustment. I want to go one more. I think one more. And that will pull that in just a little bit further. You see, there you go. I have to hook those back, pinch those on. But that will give me a little bit more. But that last cant, you know, it's just a little itty bitty guy. I don't need a log turner to turn that. So guys, tell me what you think. I used the pry-overs today too. The water valve worked just fine. A lot of dust in the cabinet. How did my belts look? You know, I put those brushes on. Oh, you know, I may have to adjust those brushes. It's not touching now. And the reason that is because I pulled the tire over, the wheel over. I forgot about that. I didn't adjust that to the blade. That's funny. But the other side is clean. But yeah, this side, I didn't do that. I'll have to do that. So, all right, guys, I'm going to get this cleaned up. I'm done for the day. I might just sit out and enjoy the fire for a little while. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.